Hello and welcome back to another episode of redoing this Yamaha Super Tenere. In this episode we will take the airbox off of the bike and finally can take off the brake lever and the brake switch, because we can now reach where the switch is connected to the harness, and I'm really looking forward to that. Nevertheless, we have a problem here, and that is because a bolt is broken at the airbox, at the top of the airbox, and we will find out how that goes, because a lot of trouble, I tell you, a lot of trouble. Have fun. I also have some questions for you, my dear viewers, who do follow this rebuild. First of all, I'm not sure in which color I want to actually paint the motorbike. So I have color codes for vintage 90s Yamaha bikes, but I'm not sure where to get the color from, because when I search online I always find these paint shops where you can buy the color, but there are only RAL colors, which is a standardized format. But I'm actually in the need of someone who can mix me a 2K color that I can spray paint the outside with the fairing. And if you have any tips where I can get my own mixed color, like a farb code or a sample, I do have a sample from the color I wish the bike to have. It would be pretty nice if you would like a comment in the comment section. So write me an email too. If you go to the channel information, there is my email address, you can check that out and write me. That would be very much appreciated. Not for free, of course, just so that I have a reliable shop to actually get the color I want for the bike. Thank you very much. Oh, das war schon up. That was loose already. Also, here on top, that pin was missing or is broken. We'll see. I don't want to open it because these thingies here are on top of the Vergaser, you see. Well. Aha. Well, let me put some paper into the intakes there. Paper. Let's have a look. Intake, benzene 1, benzene 2. These few lines all look very old, never changed, never cleaned, never nothing. I don't want to see more things I have to do. Oh my god. You see, actually, what you see here pretty nice is, you see this, and not on this side. It's when all the cables are here, the moisture is retained, and yeah, I guess this was the side where the weather was for the bike. It looks like it, because here's not so much rust as on that side. But I can be wrong, no worries, I'm wrong all the time. And if maybe someone can explain to me what that is, I guess it's something, some kind of resonator or feedback hose for whatever. But the main thing, because we were here, was the switch for the brake lever. That's not the one. Show you what I'm doing. It's not the one. That's the one. This one. Yeah. And it's mounted here. What? Doesn't look that corroded. Nice. Put it back immediately, otherwise you forget. I do, at least. So we have this. From the other side, that must be not that one, but oh wait, the light is bad light. But this one. Yay! So now we only have to bend this thing back a bit, and it's free! Free! It's free! And we can now service it with the brakes. Nice. Now look at that. Oh, it's actually bad. So I found another thing I like to show you. Let me take me with you. Let's come with me. Remember that bolt was missing from the top? Well, it's in there, and we have to take it out somehow. Well, let's do that first, otherwise if I want to mount that airbox again. So we will try that first with a left hand drill, and if that doesn't work, we'll see. Something will work. That's the ticket. Let's take some precautions. I don't see a thing. You gotta move further. That's very hard stuff. That's so strangely broken. Maybe this one? No. Oh, look at that. It's moving. But that's going down. I need to go up. Oh, what for do I have a lift? Oh. To make my back worse? No. No. Let's not do it. That's not going to do it. Let me get the screwdriver. That doesn't work. Let's get it on. Yes, thank you. Where is it now? This should not be missing in your garage too. Oh, maybe. No, that doesn't work. That will not do the trick. Damn you! Maybe it will. Maybe it will. No. No, no, and no. And no, no, no. There it is, the bastard. So maybe, yeah, well. Maybe now a helicoil is needed, but we will check that. Let's try with this one. It was a screw belonging to here. Nope, that will not fit. Let's see if we can fix that. What's that? M5 or M6? M6. All right. Of course. Make it so that it's not possible to repair it. Damn you. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Yay! Now the test, if it holds. So just a little bit of pressure. Yeah, that's totally good. Enough for holding that thing there. Nice. We have to clean that up too. Wow. What a lot of work for a small screw. So I quickly wiped away this and with some pressured air cleaned that, and now I hope to get that off here without having any metal shavings in the fagazas. But so far that wouldn't surprise me. Oh no, I just realized. They are called carburetors in English, I guess. Alright, more to do, more to do. But first, I really want to take this off. And for that, I'm not sure where to place you. It's an original Tomasselli, if there are any Italians. Which will go into the trash, of course. Nobody wants to keep that. So here we are, wanting to get rid of that screw which holds the fork holder, and I take the special tool to remove it. I cannot play the sound because I was jamming to some loud music in the background and I forgot to turn it off like it is sometimes, and it's quite easy to take the screw off because it's just an adjustment screw, and here we are. Taking, I don't know the correct word in English, but for me it's the fork holder or the steering, whatever, steering holder, I don't know. The bearings actually look pretty good on it, and I do not plan to renew them because they look actually brand new if you take a closer look at them. It's all the original fat in there, the oil or the whatever it's called. I don't know. And yes, it's off now, and we look at the bearings and they are quite in a good shape. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for now. Next, we have some rework on or rebuilding on the fuel taps to do, and that's a pretty nice video, I guess. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel like, make a comment. You may also can subscribe, and that would help the channel a lot. I wish you a nice day, a nice weekend whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next part. Stay tuned. Bye bye.